Hello to our final video of the series. We'll give a primer on scripting and how to do a very simple script. So first we begin with the terminal. We need to define some terms before. So let's say I have a equals 13 and I make b equal 14. So basically if I put echo a, it will give me a. If I need the value of a, what I have to do is I will put $a. If I want the value of b, I will put $b. And if I want to add them, $a, it will give me 14 plus 13. It will not add them because it considers them as a string. So in this case, what do? We have to pipe them into a command called bc. So it is 27. So what is bc? bc is a very tiny calculator which gives values, which helps us in transforming a string like numbers into calculating them. For example, if I want to put 34 times 87, now I am inside bc, it's give me the answer. If I put 100 divided by 3, it will tell me 33. There is a workaround about this. We have to put first scale equal, let's say 3. We have to define this one, and then later on if I put 100 divided by 3, it could give me this answer. Same thing for square root. Let's say I have square root of 13. If I did not put the scale, it will not give me 3.65. It will give me only the number 3. But if I put the scale 3, it knows that I need 3 digits after the point. So this is basically bc. It's very well used. We can use it always in many cases, and especially for to transform numbers, and we can use it also in our scripts, which we will use later. So basically what do we have? We have to create a script. Let us create a script. We can put nano script.sh. So I opened a script. There is no script. I opened a script, and in this script I want to write this one /bin/bash. This one is for all bash scripts. You have to write this one. I don't write it myself, but you have to write it, especially if you are working with other programs. Let's say you want to write a Python program, you have to put Python instead of bash, or where the location is Python, or it's Python 2 or 3, etc. The same thing for Lua or any other programming language. So it's not only for bash, you can use it for another anything. But for the time being, if you see this one and you have sometimes seen Python, you know that it is a Python file. So let us start. Only the first program that I have is, I'll put echo hello world and finish. That's it. I Control X, save, yes, file name to write script. Okay, so now what I have one script. If I put ls-l, it will give me, it is a read write. The empty one here and the one empty here and the empty here is about if it is an executable file or not. So if you want to make it an executable file, you have to put an X here, an X here, an X here, or basically an X here will suffice. There's sometimes you need to add a number, but the basic command that you need is change mode for the file. So you have to change the file permissions for the file. The one, if you want to make it executable, you have to write +X. Sometimes you will see a number after check mode like 777, 766, 644, etc. These are you can research about them, but basically for our case we will only use check mode plus X if you want to make it executable. If you remove it, want to remove the executable, you put check mode minus X. So the name of the file is script.sh. Finish. If I put ls minus L, you will see that the X's are present, so I can execute the file. If I want to execute the file, I go to the directory. We are in this directory. So there is two methods. You either put ./script.sh and it will give us, or you can say bash, because it's a bash file, script.sh. Okay, so that's it. We continue. Another thing to note is sometimes you want to run the script and with some parameters, let's say 1 and 2, or let's say hello and another hi. So after the script you can put some arguments. This is the first argument and the second argument. They are mainly used in order for us to use these in our script as data, and we'll explain how we will do it now. We will change the script. So basically we go back, nano.script. We will put some parameters. So here we put a equals, we defined a equal $1, b equal $2. So basically what did we say here? We told the script a is $1. By definition, and inside a bash script, the $1 means it is the argument that you have to put outside the script, the one that we put hello and hi. So $1 is the first parameter, $2 is the second. Okay? Another thing we will do is echo the hypotenuse of side $A, $B is okay, and then I will put also echo scale equal 5 square root of $A times $A plus $B times $B. I will close here. I will pipe it into BC. So basically what did I do? I will take the value of A. You know the hypotenuse, if I want to calculate a hypotenuse or the side of the bigger side of an right angled triangle, you have to take the square root of this one plus the square root of this, the square of A and square of B, square root of A squared plus B squared, and you get the C, the hypotenuse of the side. So basically what I did here, I put the scale equals 5. I want 5 digits, and calculate for me the square root of A squared plus B squared unto BC. We close. Yes. So now what we have to do is bash script. I will add 3, 4. So A is 3 and B is 4. And it will tell me the hypotenuse of side 3, 4 is 5. Okay? Simple enough. Let us talk about a for loop. We will add also here a for loop. I will write it and we'll explain later how I in 110 do echo this is line $I and done. So basically a for loop is, it will start with a value I in 110. This is we talked about it. It has 10 values, so it starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, and then go back and 2 and 3 and 4 until it finishes. So each one is, it puts this is line, and it gets the value of I for the first iteration. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. So let me save it and see what will happen. So now bash 3.4. We did some problem. Let's see. This is line 1. Okay, we've echo. Okay, the simple mistake. So now it has line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another example, we will put it also in the script. I'll do another for loop, a more meaningful one, for I in 1 to 10. Do touch slash tutorial slash hello $i.txt. Okay, and there should be a done. So basically what you have always, a for loop after this one should have a do, and at the end it will have a done, and this is what we have to do. So basically what it does, it starts I equal 1, touch, it means create a file, and I call this file hello $i is 1, so it creates hello1.txt, hello2.txt, hello3.txt, etc. Let me close it here. Bash, I will put the list. So now it has created all these 10 files. The last one that I will do for this one is another for loop. I will write it in another way for more speed. For I in star.txt do rm $i done. So what it does here, for every because we have 10 files here in star.txt, there is 10 files now, it will remove the first file, the second file, the third file, etc., and it is done. So the one that is created here, it is removed here. Control X. Yes. First let us check. You have the 10 files here. I will get this one, hypotenuse is 3.4, tutorial ls, it has removed all the files. So that's basically it. Thank you very much.